Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Dremel Sanding Bits is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional crafter, offering unparalleled precision and efficiency for a wide range of sanding, shaping, and finishing tasks across various materials like wood, metal, and plastic, making it an indispensable addition to your toolkit for achieving smooth, professional-grade results with ease and accuracy, ultimately saving you time and effort on your projects. Number 5. WORKPRO 476 PCS Rotary Tool Accessories Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for cutting, sanding, grinding, and more. It features a wide variety of bits and accessories to tackle any project. With hundreds of pieces, including sanding papers, cut-off wheels, and brushes, you'll have the right tool for every task. It also comes with specialized bits for grinding and polishing. Designed to work with most rotary tools on the market, this set is perfect for both beginners and experienced users. It includes multiple collets for a secure fit. Each accessory is crafted for precision and built to last. You can rely on these high-quality materials for optimal performance and excellent results in all your DIY projects. All the accessories are neatly organized in a lightweight, waterproof, and moisture-proof storage case. It's easy to carry and makes a great gift for any DIY enthusiast. Start your next DIY project with confidence. This extensive accessory set empowers you to bring your creative ideas to life with ease and precision. What we like. This kit offers an incredible value with a vast array of accessories for almost any task. If you are a DIY enthusiast who tackles a wide range of projects and wants a single, comprehensive solution, this is the set for you. It's perfect for those who need a bit of everything and appreciate organized storage. What people say. This kit includes a comprehensive range of accessories, from cutting wheels and sanding discs to polishing pads and grinding stones. It has everything I need for different tasks, including cutting, carving, sanding, grinding, and polishing. All accessories fit perfectly with my Dremel tool, making it easy to switch between tasks without any compatibility issues. The accessories are made from durable materials that hold up well under use. The cutting wheels and grinding stones, in particular, have proven to be long-lasting and effective for home use. Number 4. Dremel Rotary Tool Sanding Bits 42 PCS. Introducing a 42-piece set of sanding bits designed for your Dremel rotary tool. These bits are perfect for a wide range of tasks, from sharpening tools to removing rust and smoothing metal. With various shapes including bullet and cylinder, these bits easily reach tight spaces. They are ideal for sanding and shaping both metal and wood after initial cuts or beveling. Crafted from durable aluminum oxide, these bits are tough enough for demanding jobs on materials like stainless steel. They offer extended use and can even be cleaned for a longer tool life. Featuring a 1/8-inch shank, these sanding bits are compatible with most Dremel rotary tools and other electric or cordless drills. You'll receive 42 sanding bits in different shapes and sizes, along with a reusable storage case. Our customer service team is ready to assist if you encounter any issues. What we like. Designed for tough jobs, these bits are built to last and handle demanding tasks like rust removal and sharpening. If you frequently work with metal, need to sharpen tools, or are looking for bits that can withstand heavy use, these are an excellent choice. They offer great performance for metal smoothing and shaping. What people say. They don't tear up real easy, they're very good quality and they last a long time, it's a good deal. They are very good to soften small wood projects. This kit provides a good assortment of bits for various projects. Number 3. Tungsten Carbide Rotary Burr Set for Dremel. Crafted from high-quality tungsten carbide steel, these bits are built for longevity and resilience. They are designed to withstand tough tasks, ensuring a sturdy and durable performance. Featuring a double-cut design with crossed grooves, these bits excel at efficiently removing material from softer substances like wood, plastic, and aluminum. Experience maximum cutting efficiency with every use. Made from premium tungsten carbide steel, these bits boast exceptional hardness and toughness, reaching HRC 70. They effortlessly cut through extraneous material, making your work feel like slicing through butter. With a 1/8-inch shank, these rotary files are compatible with Dremel and most die grinders or rotary tools. They are perfect for a wide range of applications including metalworking, woodworking, and engraving. You will receive a complete set of 10 tungsten steel rotary burrs, conveniently packaged in a protective case for safe storage. We are here to assist if you encounter any issues. What we like. Experience superior cutting power and longevity with these carbide bits. Their double-cut design excels in efficient material removal, making them ideal for woodworking, metal engraving, and detailed carving. If you're looking for precision and durability for intricate projects in wood, plastic, or aluminum, this set is a top contender. What people say. They did the job very well, they cut right through the metal and didn't fall apart. Cuts nicely. Stays sharp. Great product. These worked great. I broke an ease out in a bolt and was able to grind it out with these bits. Number 2. Dremel 408 HP Max Life Carbide Sanding Drum Hole Saw Bit. Introducing the Dremel 408 HP Max Life. This innovative tool offers an incredible 30 times longer life than standard sanding bands, thanks to its durable carbide coating. Unlike ordinary sanding bands, its carbide coating is designed for superior durability and won't tear loose. This ensures a consistent and reliable performance every time you use it. Experience the ultimate in versatility. This tool functions as both a sanding drum and a hole saw, capable of plunge cutting into a wide range of materials. From ceramic wall tile and wood to composites and fiberglass, it handles it all. It's also perfect for rigid foam, gourds, and more, making it your go-to for various projects. Mounted on a strong steel mandrel, it allows for precise lateral or orbital movement. Smooth surfaces, enlarge holes, or create custom cavities with ease. This package includes one 1/2-inch, 60-grit carbide-coated sanding drum and hole saw bit. It's compatible with all your corded and cordless Dremel rotary tools. What we like. This bit redefines durability with its carbide coating, offering significantly longer life than standard sanding bands. It's uniquely capable of both sanding and plunge cutting, making it versatile for various materials like tile, wood, and composites. If you need a long-lasting solution for sanding, enlarging holes, or creating cavities, this is the bit to consider. What people say. Aggressive cut, 60 grit. I used it on wood and it held up about 10 times longer than paper drums. Saves time because it cuts faster and there is no frequent stopping to change sandpaper. Gentle on the fingers for that occasional slip. This particular Dremel 1/8 shank rotary tool attachment works well and is, as advertised, shockingly durable. Under heavy use the tool wears to lower grit until better classified a rasp, and while brilliant for shaping sturdy materials, it is by design less gentle than sandpaper flaps or rounds and so is broadly less suited to delicate work. An excellent tool that trades versatility for absurd durability, and one that should be considered whenever a sanding drum is replaced. This sanding drum is pricey but worth the money. Works great, doesn't clog up and fall apart like the paper drums do. Number 1. Luoka 100 PCS Assorted Shape Polishing Bits. Introducing a comprehensive polishing kit designed for your rotary tools. It includes 100 pieces in 5 different materials to tackle various tasks. You'll find corundum sand, sesame, cowhide, rubber, and wool bits. This variety ensures you have the right material for any polishing job. This set offers 100 buffing tips in 2 essential shapes, cylinder and bullet. Each shape comes in 5 different sizes, ranging from 4 mm to 10 mm. With a 1/8-inch shank, these bits are compatible with most electric rotary tools, including Dremel, grinders, and hand drills. Achieve coarse to fine polishing on metal, jade, molds, glass, and jewelry. These bits are perfect for both metal and non-metal surfaces. Everything comes neatly organized in a portable plastic box. This makes storage and transport incredibly convenient. What we like. Achieve a flawless finish on a wide range of materials with this extensive polishing kit. Featuring 5 different material types and multiple grit sizes, it's perfect for detailed work on metal, jewelry, jade, and more. If your priority is achieving a high-quality polish and buffing for delicate or intricate items, this set provides the versatility you need. What people say. Super useful for polishing grinding edges off of metal. Bits came safely packaged and worked for Dremel 8150 with no issues so far. Great selection of sizes and grits for any application of smaller jobs that require detail. They really do work well. As stated in the title, the grit descends smoothly. They all cut well, without deteriorating fast. So far I have used on metal with very minimal wear on the bit. I have also used them on binocular glass. They did work well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.